All right, so a question I got asked from a member was, how do I create an account with Google to be able to access Google Analytics, Google Studios, and to be able to get into YouTube for creating channels and put that underneath my business? They currently use Office 365 for their email systems. They're not using the Google Workspace. I said, okay, I'll do a quick video for you on this. I think this is a good thing to know. We do it all the time here. What you're going to do is you're going to go to accounts.google.com. So when you go to, or account.google.com, sorry, it's going to take you here. You're going to say create an account. You're going to type in your first name. You're going to type in your last name, which is optional. You're going to put your birth date, not your business's birth date. I'll put my actual information here. You don't want to put your business's information, because if you put your business information, it probably won't be old enough to access the tools. Right here's the important part. You have it to where it's asking for a Gmail address. This is where everybody seems to get stuck. All you're going to do is click this little button that's kind of hidden right here. It says use your existing email. Like, for example, I could do rob@simplybefound.com. I say next. It says it already exists. If I said rob2@simplybefound.com, it would then send me an email asking me for a code, and then it would let me go through that process. This process is really super simple. If you get stuck, if you have any questions ever, reach out to us. We're Simply Be Found, and this is what we do for our members.